dkdynamics presents rope climbing robot.
Hello friends, welcome to the all new season of dkdynamics. So friends, as you know, I am Rob, have come back with some more new and interesting projects. So friends, robotics is a fascinating hobby of budding engineers and hobbyists. Robotics is a multidisciplinary science and involves electrical, mechanical, electronics, communication, as well as many other branches of science. So friends, as we see, new and more sophisticated designs of the robots are coming in the market, but the fundamentals of the mechanics are same. So friends, for making a robo, we require higher level engineering skills. So friends, we are motivating the youngsters to make the robos, to design and fabricate the new robos which are useful in our day-to-day life. In this way, we are making complex moving machine called as robos, which can be used in the military operations, rescue operations, as well as for the industrial uses. So friends, I have come with two more new such robots. So friends, our first robo is all-terrain robo. So friends, here we are making a robo which can move on any type of land surfaces. It can move on the forest as well as on the unequal surfaces due to the large footprint area. It can move on the marshy land as well as some other places which are very difficult to move on using any other vehicle. So friends, we are going to place the magnet in this climbing robo so that it can climb up on any metal surface. So friend, it a double shaft motor of 60 rpm and it consists of gears of 4 cm diameter, and we are using this 9 cm wooden plank which we are gonna cut from any wooden piece. And friends, here we are using the toggle switch for connecting this to the 9-volt battery. So friends, first I'm going to demonstrate you the working of this robo. This robo can move on any type of the land surface. So friends, our another robot is rope climbing monkey. So friends, we have designed this robo to mimic the climbing of the monkey. So friends, here we have used the simple mechanical approach which produces the reciprocating as well as the circulatory motion simultaneously. So friends, now I'm going to show you the working of this rope climbing monkey. So friends, here we are generating the circulatory as well as the reciprocating movements to mimic the climbing of the monkey on a rope. So friends, now I'm going to demonstrate you the climbing rope monkey. Both these robots are very easy to make and are going to help us in day-to-day life. And friends, these are very good mechanical projects and you can make it for your engineering, for the school projects. And friends, if you have any queries regarding these projects, you can contact us and you can log on to our site www.dkdynamics.com. and friends, don't forget to press the bell icon for more new videos, and please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.